There's another one. Here. This one. This one. Wow, Hussein is harvesting. Ooh, eggplant. I'm here with Hussein now. We will what? We will harvest eggplant and what, Hussein?
Tomato.
And tomato. Yes. Okay, so I let Hussein harvest this plant for his father. The eggplant. Take this. Okay. Come, cut. Cut that one, cut. Yes. Wow. Wonderful. Wow, one. There's another one. Here. This one. This one. Wow, Hussein is harvesting. Ooh, eggplant. And there. One more. There. See? This boy loves to harvest. And there. More. We have more. There. And there. No. That's small one. The other one. The big one. Yes. And there also. That one. See? Hussein is good at harvesting. There are more. Still have more. And there one. Okay. And this one last. This one last. Okay, I think that's it. And what you call that? Tomato. Take for tomato also. See, we have free harvest tomato. Gusto mo lang tomato, Carms? Kuha ka ng kamatis na dyan para may... Kuha ka ng kamatis. Oo. Yeah, wow! Wow! What? Sili, yes. O, kumuha ka na ng kamatis mo dito. Andun, Carms, oh. Mag-harvest ka na ng kamatis mo doon. Wow! Why you harvest the green? Don't harvest the green. Not right. Okay, there. Come, kabayan. Finish. Wow, see? We are harvesting plenty of... Oh, don't. Only the yellow one. Ano? Gusto mo lang kamatis? Huwag ka ng kamatis. Sipag, oh. Okay. I think still there. Oh, the red ones.
Ano ito isa? Ba't maliit? Ano yan?
Okay. I think your pup now is cooling. You have to go now. Okay?
What's that small one?
Which small one?
It's still tomato?
Still tomato but dead already.
One.
Yes. It's dead already. Okay?
I don't do the plastic.
No, put it there. I bring this later to your father. Okay?
And the cutter.
Put it there. I'll bring it there.
Can you buy?
Bye! See you later! So mga guys, may mga tira pa ditong kamatis. Harvest pa tayo. Ang dami pa para stock natin. Ayan, stock natin doon sa fridge, sa ref. Okay. And this one also. Ang dami pang hinog mga guys. Pero pa yata tayong pagbibigyan. Okay. Bye! So mga guys, mag-harvest na rin tayo ng sili siguro. Ayan. Harvest na rin tayo ng sili para i-freezer natin para hindi siya masira. Yung mga sili na to, oh, hinog na. Ayan. Tayo ng sili. Siling hinog na yung iba, oh, hindi po yun na, mamamatay na siya mga guys. Summer na dito. dito sa amin. Kaya medyo natutuyo na yung mga halaman. So yan na yung harvest namin ni Hussein. Alright. O diba, ang dami. Libre na naman yung ating gulay dito. With talong. Talong saka kamatis. Ayan o. O diba? So yun lang mga guys. Magdidilig pa ako ng halaman. Okay, until next time. Bye bye.